Hardly a day goes by when somebody in public service isn't attacked and either killed, injured, or assaulted in one manner or another. I can just think back over the past few months. We had a state park ranger killed. We've had troopers killed, police officers, DOT workers hit. The other day we just had a judge stabbed with a knife and a deputy sheriff shot. So obviously public employees have a very hazardous job. Some people that you probably wouldn't on a daily basis think would have a hazardous job would be Child Protective Services. But I think, just look back here within the last month, we had the Josh Powell incident where the Child Protective Service lady was taking the children's out there, and we saw what happened there. And that particular person could have been injured at that time as well. The state mental hospitals, I was told recently that they have the highest injury rate of any public workers. Well, I think historically public workers have been looked on as second-class citizens, if you will. Anytime there's any type of an economic or monetary deficit, people look to them, they need to take a cut. They got too easy of a job. But if you really look at it, most public employees are paid commensurately less than any civilian counterpart would be doing that exact same job. They all perform a task that needs to be done. And they do it well in most cases. But to think that they're somehow the villains, the reason for an economic decline or the reason for economic shortfalls monetarily is just simply not the case. There's hardworking people doing good jobs, doing hazardous jobs for the people of the state and the country, and they need to be recognized as such. And they don't need to be given an award or a medal. They just like at one time for someone in the public to say, you know what? I appreciate that public work. I appreciate that DOT guy out there fixing the drain hole so when I drive through there, my car doesn't, hydroplane and cause me to get in an accident. I appreciate the Child Protective Service people that are out there looking after these kids. I appreciate the state trooper that's out there in the middle of the night arresting drunks so I won't get hurt. And him maybe being shot like we just lost our Tony Radalisco. So, all we're looking for is, a little respect, if you will, a little Aretha Franklin, just a little respect.